you ever wonder how to mount your iPad to the windshield, I'm going to show you in this video with MyGoFlight products. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the iPad mounts that we offer here at the Banyan Pilot Shop. Today I want to start off by showing you MyGoFlight and how versatile their product is. First of all, as you can see, we have 3 different mounts that you can choose from. One of them, it's the larger one. It's more, it gives you more distance if you need to get closer to you, if you have a large surface areas to cover. It has 2 points of contact where you can close that gap between you and that iPad or iPhone or Android, whatever device you're using. And it's very simple because the neat thing about MyGoFlight is that every one of their devices is interchangeable. So if you get a case for your iPad mini, this is a leg strap if you guys want to have a leg strap. The nice thing about it is that you can, once you have your case on, all you do is, I'll show you on one that's facing you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. And now this thing can pull a dent out of a car. That's how good the suction cups are. All you do is push down on where it says push, pull the lever. That is not going anywhere. Right here, this connector goes in this clips, and that's all you do. That's it. That's all there's to it. That is not going anywhere. Again, no matter how much turbulence you encounter during your flight. The nice thing about it too is that it comes with a spot for your pen, and that is not going anywhere either. No matter how much you shake it, twist it, and it's very easy to come out. Another cool thing about it is that once you plug it on, it's charging. So your Apple Pen is always charged at all times. Another neat thing is that that's all there is to it. Simple push of a button, opens the clamps, releases the case. Another nice thing about the MyGoFlight products is that it doesn't matter which iPad you have. You can go from the smallest thing you have to the iPad 11 or the 11 inches, which is the latest one. And this iPad has a case on it. So what I find really nice with it is that even with the case, you have the capability of using any setup that you find that is best for your needs. You can interchange from the mount that we currently have, and again, it disconnects the same way that the previous one did, by simple push of these 2 holders, and that's all there is to it. You can go from this one to the smaller if you have tighter space, you need more confined, or if you need more space where you can extend, you can go to the larger version. And again, it's all interchangeable because it's all made from the same company. Doesn't matter which way you go, which mount or which case you decide to go with, you can go back and forth. All right guys, one more thing I want to show you guys is this cool little gadget. If you want to record yourself nailing those landings with your phone, it could be an Android, it could be an iPhone. You can put it in place, tighten it up, and now you can record as you're going by. Again, that is not going anywhere. That is fixed. And then if you want to switch over to, say, your buddy's phone, your buddy wants to record with his phone, the flight, and he's got an iPhone. Mind you that I have a case on this phone. I don't have to take the case off. I don't need to do any of those things. And that's not going anywhere. If you have a GoPro, you can do something similar. Again, it's all from the same company, so the fact that you can interchange from one thing to the other in such a quick manner, it's absolutely insane. This little gadget here, you have a GoPro, you can just connect the GoPro on, and this goes in any of the mounts. Once you hear that click, that's all you need to it. Turn it. Connect the GoPro back in, tighten it up, and you are ready to go. That's all there's to it. If you need to adjust it, you can do that. If you need to tilt it, you can do that. Any way that you would like to use it, it's very doable. Guys, here we have my GoFlight, and with my GoFlight, you can interchange from one device to the other with simplicity, and simplicity sometimes is key. Here we have the iPad 11 inch. Sorry. You can simply connect it to the mount, and now you have the iPad connected to you. Now, if you need to remove it for limited view visibility, whatever it is the case, just detach it, and now you have all the view that you need for the rest of the flight. Guys, another cool feature with my GoFlight is the ability to change from one item to the other in such a quick manner. And here we have a phone that we're just gonna plug in and connect in. And if you need to check your messages, use it as backup navigation. It gives you the ability to do so, and it's as easy to remove as a click. It's easy to remove as a click, and now you have it out, and it's not limiting your view. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next time.